In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro free. First, head to miro.com/sign up and create a free account. You can sign up with your email or use a Google, Apple, or Microsoft login if that's easier. Once you're in, you land on Miro's infinite canvas, a big open space where you can think, plan, and collaborate. To get comfortable, try panning around by holding the spacebar and dragging and zooming in and out with your trackpad or mouse wheel. If you ever get lost, use the fit to screen control to recenter your view. This simple navigation will make everything else in Miro feel smooth and intuitive. On the free plan, you can have up to 3 active boards at a time, and you can collaborate with unlimited team members. Open a board and look to the left toolbar. That's where your main tools live. Drag a sticky note onto the canvas to capture quick thoughts, then double-click to type. Change colors to group ideas and resize notes to emphasize priorities. Add shapes and text to build structure, then connect them with arrows to show relationships. If you want a head start, open the templates library and choose from brainstorms, flowcharts, mind maps, and more. Templates are a great way to organize ideas fast without starting from scratch. Collaboration is straightforward. Click the share button in the top right to invite people. You can send a link or invite directly by email and choose whether others can view, comment, or edit. As teammates join, you'll see their cursors moving in real time, which makes workshops and planning sessions feel live and interactive. Use comments to discuss specific items without cluttering the board, and tidy up by grouping related content so everyone can follow along easily. You can also try limited AI features on the free plan to speed up brainstorming and organization. For example, you might summarize clusters of notes or generate ideas to expand a topic. Treat AI as a helper. It can accelerate the messy first draft, and you can refine from there. Keep in mind that availability is limited on free accounts, so think of it as a helpful boost, not a requirement. Because the free plan allows only 3 active boards, older boards may become view-only as you create new ones. To manage this, consider reusing a board by clearing old content or duplicating sections you still need. Clear names and consistent layouts make it easier to keep your free boards organized. That's it. Sign up, explore the tools, share with your team, and manage your 3 active boards smartly. Enjoy building on your infinite canvas and have fun collaborating in Miro.